Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm at home today and I'm supposed to be doing the vacuuming, so I've just gone out and bought myself the Aldi Albino robot vacuum. So this is a integral sweeping, vacuum and mopping, suitable for hard floors. Usage time approximately 1.5 hours. Charging time approximately 5 hours. Controlled by a remote or smart app and Wi-Fi. Sensors to help navigate around obstacles, under furniture and along the walls. 3-stage suction adjustment, touch control panel, 400ml dustbin, 250ml water tank, an anti-fall sensor. So smart app requires smartphone with Wi-Fi connection. So looking forward to not have to do the vacuuming and use the robot instead. So let's have a look and see what we got in our box. So let's have a look. So we've got some instructions. We've got power cable. We've got the robot vacuum, wheels, we've got some wipers, some sweeping things, we've got a brush, and then we've also got a little docking station with the power lead into the box, remote, extra pad, cleaning brush and more sweeping brushes. And a little grill filter. So there we go. That is the robot unboxed. So we look at the instructions. We've got 1 year warranty card, quick start guide, and then we've got our instructions. So the quick start guide says product setup, turn the product over to the base, install the edging brushes, turn the product back over, then charge the product. Connect the charger to the wall outlet and turn it on. The green power light should illuminate on the charger. So you need to plug it in. So there we go, we're all set up. We've got a remote. So on power button, home button, circle, square, auto, extra suction, and then the water for the mopping. So press auto. So using the mopping action, we put up water in this one. And then the filters go in that section. So if we press the round button, it goes round and round in circles, wider and wider. Press the home button and then it returns itself back home. So our first whiz round has collected all this just off our floors, and we do Hoover every single day, so it's brought up quite a bit. So I'm going to have a go at doing the mopping, see how that works. So we've added the water in the water container and we've added the pad onto the bottom just to click in. So put this back in the machine and see what happens. And now we're going for the mop. So we've got the mop button, pressing the mop button. And then we press go home. And it will return back to his house. You can see the floor that's been mopped and it's returning back. Very good. So that worked really well. Really pleased. I'm not using the mopping mops on that, so we should try that, but I'm doing the hoovering.